Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To access and replace the tail light bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. Open the trunk and identify the place where the carpet opens. Using a 30mm spanner, remove the 2 plastic holding nuts for the light. Finish by hand to save time. With your hands, pull directly on the light. Remember to do this horizontally, in line with the car. Then, remove the power connector using a thin flathead screwdriver to lever it off the holding tab. To take out the bulb mount connector board, pull with your finger or a screwdriver each of the plastic tabs which fasten everything in place outwards, all while pulling on the connector board. To replace the bulbs, all you have to do is push down and give it a quarter turn to the left. They should come out under a spring effect. To put the new ones in, position the bulb studs in front of the holes, push on the bulb and pivot it a quarter turn to the right. Put the connector board back in by simply pushing on it, positioning it the right way round. The tabs should open up and let it pass through and close once it's in place. Put the electric connector back into the headlight. Reposition the light in its housing, pushing on it, but being careful not to force too much. Screw the 2 plastic nuts that hold the light back in place. And put the carpet back in place. To replace the parking light bulbs located in the tailboard, unclip the plastic cover. With your index fingers, press on the holding spurs on each side of the electrical terminal and pull upwards. Pivot the bulb block anti-clockwise and remove it. To remove the bulb, push downwards and turn it a quarter turn to the left. Do the opposite when inserting the bulb. Put the bulb block back in the light case and pivot it clockwise to lock it in place. Clip the electrical connector back in. Put the plastic cover back in place. Operation completed.